All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed another speed drawing with EJ. The final illustration of the Rooster abstract. Here is the original that I drew. And as you can see in this one, there's a little bit difference and changes. This is made out to be a coloring page. And if you'd like a copy of this, I can send it to your email. Just text your email address in the comments below. I would love to see how you have this one colored out and send it back to me. All right. As I say in all my videos, if you like this, go ahead and hit that like button. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at EJsGraphix, and you'll go right to me. Or visit my website at www.EJsGraphix.com. All right. Y'all have a blessed day. I look forward to seeing those coloring pages come in.